When you're looking at volume versus price action, the one thing that you really want to keep in mind is a rocket ship, and think of price action as the rocket ship and volume as the fuel. So as price wants to go higher and higher on a lot of these projects, you can imagine just seeing a lot of sell walls and selling pressure and selling pressure and selling pressure. In order for this to continue to go higher and higher, it needs that volume from the buyers, which is an inflow of money. So price action is going to be market sentiment, volume is going to be actual inflow versus outflow of money over a long period of time or a cumulative amount of time. So if something was to take off, for example, like Brett or like Dogecoin, for example, you can see that there's a lot of volume right now that's flowing in. The higher the volume is, the more likely this has a probability of playing to higher highs. So because there's so much volume on Doge, I wouldn't be surprised to see this test 50 cents again, maybe find some weakness, and then potentially push into the 2021 all-time highs, which is about 71 cents, and then maybe even breaking that into the 80-cent range before we might hypothetically get to $1. But without volume, none of this would be possible, because that inflow of money is what's going to allow this to happen. And that inflow of money usually comes from an institutional level and is kind of added slowly in a sideways movement in price or consolidation. And then you're seeing an accumulation of volume, which is volume going up. And then in return, you get a bullish divergence of volume. AK, it's a spring loaded, and when it does want to take off, it has so much volume behind it or fuel that it can really take off. So hopefully that easy description makes sense. If you do want to learn my trading strategy and a little bit more about this, come join us in the Epic Trading Floor. It's free to sign up. And then there are limited spots available in the All Access Pass. Price is going to go up when those spots are filled, from $99 a month to $149 a month. If you want to try it out, you can try it out for free for 72 hours and then get 50% off the first month as well. So I appreciate you all. I hope you have an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you watch this video, and I will see you on the next one.